All right, we're here in a cow pasture. Geese were feeding over there last night. We don't have permission on that field, but we have permission on this field, so we're gonna give it a shot. We have 30 dozen Divebomb silhouettes out. Got an A-frame. I think the A-frame doesn't look good, but we'll see. We'll see what the geese think. Kind of got the sun at our back, so it's kind of making it glow. At least that's what it looks like from the hill. But it could look different from an aerial shot of what the geese are looking at. So we'll see how it goes. The first group will tell us the story. So we'll see. Geese should be coming from the south, from the southwest. We got a northwest wind, so hopefully they come from the south to swoop right in and drop in. Dude.